Hello guys, welcome back to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board students, and today we are starting with Maths 2 Geometry, lesson number 4, Geometric Construction. This is part 2, and in this we are going to see solved examples. In part 1 we covered the basics of geometric construction, the introduction part of the lesson. Right now we are going to start with solved examples of lesson number 4. So let us start. Okay, so here is your first question. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, the sides of the triangle are given over here now. AB equals to 5.4 centimeter, BC equals to 4.2 centimeter, AC 6 centimeter, and then over here ratio is given. AB is to PQ is equal to 3 is to 2. This means that AB upon PQ is equal to 3 is to 2, 3 upon 2. This means AB is bigger triangle and PQ is smaller triangle, as 3 is bigger than 2. So we come to know that ABC triangle is bigger and PQR triangle is smaller. So they have told us to construct triangle ABC and PQR. So they have only given us the sides of triangle ABC. They have not given us the sides of triangle PQR. So we have to first find the sides of triangle PQR with the help of this ratio given here, 3 is to 2. So first we will draw the rough figure. Rough figure is necessary. So bigger triangle, we will name it A B C. Similarly we will name this triangle as well P Q R. Okay, now let us write the measurements. AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4.2, and AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we have to find PQ, QR and PR. So with the help of this ratio, let us see how to find. So write this, it is given. Now what we are given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and so as they are similar, we know that the corresponding sides are in same proportion. So we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. So let us give this as equation 1, okay, as or statement number 1. Now we know that AB upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 2. So this is given, and let us assume this as statement number 2. Okay, now from 1 and 2 write this. From 1, statement number 1 and statement number 2, what we get is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR and is equal to 3 upon 2. So this ratio will be equal to everyone. Okay, as we got this ratio, now we can write it as AB upon PQ is equal to 3 upon 2. We can also write BC upon QR is equal to 3 upon 2, and we can also write AC upon PR is equal to 3 upon 2. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to place the value of AB, BC and AC in this. Okay, so we know AB is 5.4 centimeter, upon PQ we don't know, and 3 upon 2. So by cross multiplication, 5.4 into 2 upon 3 is equal to PQ. Okay, similarly of BC we know it is 4.2 centimeter upon QR equals to 3 upon 2. Now by cross multiplication again, 4.2 into 2 upon 3 is equal to QR. Now of AC is 6 centimeter, so AC upon PR equals to 3 upon 2. 6 into 2 upon 3 is equal to PR. So like this, by solving this, we will get the value of PQ QR and PR. So let us solve this. So 3 ones are, and then 3 ones are 0.8. So 1.8 into 2 equals to PQ. Then we will get the answer 3.6 by multiplication. Okay, now 3 ones are, we can write 3 ones are 3 point, and then we can write 4s are. So 1.4 into 2 is equal to QR. Okay, and we will get 2.8 as our answer. Now 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 2 into 2 equals to PR, and 4 is our PR. Now we got the values of PQ, QR and PR. Okay, now what we can do is we can easily construct triangle ABC and triangle PQR, as we have the sides of ABC as well as of PQR. So let us construct ABC and PQR. Okay, so I have written the values of ABC triangle, then triangle PQR as well. So we have to construct the triangle. If you remember, we have drawn rough figure like this. So according to this, we are going to construct the triangle. So how to construct? Let us see. First check the base. So it is AC and it is PR. First we will draw triangle ABC, then we will draw triangle PQR. So what you have to do is take 6 centimeter in your scale and draw AC. Okay, then name this as AC, and this is 6 centimeter. Next what you have to do is you have to put rounder on this particular point, on point A. You have to take 5.4 measurement in the rounder and with the help of the scale, and you have to mark a arc of 5.4 centimeter. Okay, it will be somewhat like this. Next what you have to do, you have to keep point on C. Okay, and now you have to take measurement of 4.2 centimeter as if of BC, and first we have take first we took for 5.4, that is AB, and now we are going to take for BC, that is 4.2. so take 4.2 measurement in the rounder with the help of your scale and put that rounder's tip on C, and then you will get arc of 4.2 centimeter. Now just join these 2 points, this the point which we got right now by joining the arcs, and this A and then C. Okay, let us join them. Okay, so this will be our B point. Now we have to draw line AB. Okay, draw line AB with the help of your scale. Next we have to draw line BC. Okay, so similarly we will draw line BC with the help of your scale, and this is your required triangle. You just have to write now the measurement. So AB is 5.4 centimeter. So you can use your geometry box for this. BC you have 4.2 centimeter. So this measurement writing is necessary. Now let us construct triangle PQR. So for triangle PQR, what we are going to do, similarly we are going to construct base is PR. Okay, so PR is 4 centimeter. Again we will take a line of 4 centimeter, and this will be our PR. Okay, now let us name it PR and write the measurement PR, which will be our 4 centimeter. From P you have to take now, what is the measurement of PQ? 3.6 centimeter, QR is 2.8 centimeter, and PR is 4 centimeter. So now from point P we will drop line PQ 3.6 in rounder, and we'll get a arc like this, then rounder on point R, and you have to take the measurement 2.8 centimeter, and you will get an arc like this. We got over here our point Q, so we are going to join PQ and QR. Okay, so here is our PQ and this will be our QR. So this is our required triangle. We will write the measurements. This is 3.6 centimeter, this is 2.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is a required triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I hope you understand this. Now let us move to the next solved example. This is our second solved example. Construct any triangle ABC and construct triangle A dash B C dash. Now over here you will come to know that with the help of this ratio, AB is to A dash B is equal to 5 is to 3, and we are told that ABC is similar triangle A dash B C dash. Now what is this A dash B C dash? We will see. First triangle is ABC and second triangle is A dash B C dash. Now you will notice over here that A is different and this A is different, A, and over here A dash is there. C is different and this C is different, C and C dash is there. But you will find that B is same. So we come to know that this is the second condition of our construction of similar triangles, that is one vertex is common over here. This means our rough figure will be somewhat like this. I'll show you. This will be our triangle ABC, as triangle ABC is bigger triangle. We come to know from this ratio over here. Okay, so this is our triangle ABC, and triangle A dash B C dash will be somewhat like this inside triangle ABC. So this will be our rough figure. This will be A dash and this will be C dash. Okay, so let us construct this triangle as well. Okay, now as they have told to construct any triangle ABC, so we will take any measurement of triangle ABC. So it can be any of your choice, 3, 4, 5, take any. Okay, so let us consider that this particular triangle has measurement 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So this is just an assumed. So A, B and C, this will be our triangle. So first we have constructed ABC. Now what we have to do, we have to construct triangle A dash B C dash like this in triangle ABC. So the line will be somewhat like this inside triangle ABC. So let us construct that. So you have to draw a acute angle from point B of any measurement. It is not compulsion, so you can take any measurement or you can just draw a straight line. It just make sure that it is acute. So acute means less than 90 degree. So this will be our acute angle, and now what you have to do is you have to put your tip of your rounder on point B and you have to measure 1.5. So this will be 1.5, then this 1.5, and you have to take 5 points like this on this line. So this is your point 1, this will be your point 2. Now keep rounder on this point and draw again 1.5 measurement. Keep rounder on P3 now and draw P4 of 1.5 measurement. Then take rounder on P4 and draw P5 of 1.5 measurement. So these are your 5 points. So why we took only 5 points? Because the ratio is 5 is to 3. So we will take the greater number points. So therefore we took 5 points. Now you can take any measurement, like we use 1.5, 1.5. So you can use 1 or you can use 2 centimeter point distance as well between this, but it was convenient to use 1.5, therefore you should use 1.5, or you can use 2 or you can use 1 also, depends on your choice. So now what we are going to do is we are going to join P5, this P5 with point C. As you know that A dash B C dash is smaller than triangle ABC, so it will be inside triangle ABC and not outside. So we are going to draw line, we are going to connect point P and point C, like this. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is on point 3. So why point 3? Because the ratio, in the ratio we have 3 as the side of A dash B. So from point P you have to construct a line on this on BC. So how you will construct? You have to make angle similar to this angle, this one. So how you will do? Let us see. Just put rounder's tip on point 5 and take any angle like this. Draw a arc on this. Now okay, now what you have to do, as you kept the point on P5 and you draw the arc, after that you have to keep point on P3 and you have to draw similar arc like this. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to measure this arc. See, over here X point is there and over here Y point is there. So from this and this you have to measure. So you have to measure this point on this line and point on this line. So for X and Y, as I have mentioned, you have keep the tip of your rounder on this particular point, okay, this point, and just draw an arc like this one, and you have to join P3, the point you got over here while making the intersection, and you have to join this one. Okay, let us join from here like this. You will get a parallel line, we can say. You will get a parallel line to this line. This and this line will be parallel now. Now you have to construct similar construction with this and this angle. Now what you have to do is you have to keep point on C, rounders point on C, draw a arc similar to this one, keep point on this point which we got is will be your C dash. Okay, keep point on C dash, draw the same measurement arc that you draw from, that we have drawn from C point. So this is your C point. Take, again I'll repeat, take point of rounder on this particular point, then draw a arc, this which we have just drawn, this is the arc, with the same measurement. Put your point on this C dash, draw a similar arc like this. Now measure this point, this particular point, this point and this point. We have to measure this point's distance. Keep your pointer of your rounder on this point, particular point, and draw a similar arc. Now C dash, this point of intersection which we just got, this, and you have to connect it with AB. So let us connect like this. It will be, so this will be parallel to AC. Now your A dash we got. So this type of construction is there, with few examples more from 4.1 practice set. We will be able to understand this concept in more detail. Nothing but we have just constructed a triangle ABC, then we draw the acute angle, then we measured point 1, point 2, point 3, point 5, with means it is ratio is given 5:3. So the greater number points we just draw, and then after that we will connect point 5 with C, and then after connection the angle made by point 5 and C, you have to just draw arc. Similar arc we will draw on point 3 because this is the distance of the side of A dash B. So similar angle as we have drawn over here. Then we will measure X and Y, and with that in we will put our rounder on this, then we will put a arc, and then we will draw a parallel line like this to P and P5 and C. Now what we are going to do, we are going to do the similar construction with this particular point and this point. Now when we do the same and when we join, we will get our construction. So what we actually got is, we got our triangle similar to our rough figure, this one. So this is A B C and this is A dash B dash B and C dash. Okay, this is C dash, this is A dash, and this is B. So this is the construction. I hope you understand this. Okay, so this is the third question which we are given. Construct triangle A dash BC dash similar to triangle ABC such that AB is to A dash B is 5:7. Now the ratio is different. Now we will consider these two triangles to be constructed. So the ratio is AB upon A dash B as 5/7. Now we come to know from here that A dash B means the triangle A dash B C dash, this triangle is the greater triangle as the ratio, you can see 7 is greater number over here. So this is greater and this one is smaller. So this triangle will be smaller triangle, and our rough figure will be also according to it. So let us see what will be the rough figure of this. Will be your triangle A dash B C dash. Okay, so this will be A dash B and then C dash. Now triangle ABC will be constructed inside. In the earlier example we saw, in the second example, that this was the triangle ABC. Okay, like this ABC triangle was there, and A dash C dash we constructed inside. Now the exact opposite is there. A dash C dash, A dash B and C dash is the bigger triangle, and we have to construct triangle ABC inside it. So the figure will be somewhat like this. This will be your A and this will be your point C. So this will be the rough figure, and let us see how to construct it. Now as the measurements of triangle A dash B C dash is not given, we construct any triangle of any measurement. So let us consider this as our triangle and we will name it first. So this will be A dash, this will be B, and this will be C dash. Okay, now the next step is to construct acute angle from point B. So this is our acute angle. Okay, now you have to take points from B. So we know the ratio is 5:7. So the greater number is 7 over here. So we will take 7 points. You have to take 7 points. Keep this in mind. Okay. So by keeping the pointer of our rounder on B, we will take 1.5 as our measurement. Then keeping pointer on this point, this will be point 1. We will take 1.5 and we will mark point 2. Similarly point 3, point 4, point 5 and point 6 and point 7 will be constructed like this. The distance is 1.5. Now you have to draw a line from point 7, this particular point, to this point C dash. Okay, let us draw one line. Okay, like this from here to here. Okay, now we got our line. So this will be our angle. Okay, so keep your pointer on point P7 and you have to construct a arc. Now our ratio was 5:7, so the next point will be point 5. So from here we are going to construct the same measurement arc like this. As we have measured the angles, now what you have to do is, this will be your X point, this one, this will be your Y point, and you have to measure this distance, highlighted one. Keep your pointer of your rounder on this and measure this part, and now keep the pointer on this and measure and just make an arc. Now we are going to connect point 5 to this particular part. So this will be your parallel lines, and here we got point C. This is your point C. Okay, now we are going to construct similar construction over here. So keep your pointer of your rounder on this point, draw a arc, then on this point draw arc. Now take the measurement of this point and this point, means this will be our X and Y again, just for understanding. So measure this part put the pointer of your rounder on this, draw arc, and now connect these points, see this and this. Okay, now here we got point A. So this is the type of construction that we have seen from. So these type of similar constructions are there in 4.1. I hope you like this video. If you did, consider subscribing to Self Study YouTube channel. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. In the next part, that is part 3, we will solve the examples from practice set 4.1.